We're live out here in Morrisville, where a little lady here is attempting to clean off her Jeep so she can go on a nice drive. Well, I thought she was cleaning it off. She actually put the snow inside of it. We're gonna interview her in a minute. Touch the camera. How was the road conditions today while you were driving?
Good.
Did you see any ice or anything on the roads?
Yeah.
So keep the car on the road. Did you have any close calls, any slips and falls?
No.
How was the snow?
Good.
That's all you have to say?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yes.
No report. Okay, all right then. Well, she made it wherever we are safely.